Hello dear students, in previous class we have discussed how to find the perimeter of the given figures. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to find the area of rectangle and how to find the area of square. Okay, before going to solve that examples, you have to know what is the meaning of area. Okay, perimeter means you have to just add the sides of the given figure and you will get the perimeter. But area means the total space enclosed by the figure. The total space, whatever now I am shading now, this all is area of the given figure. Okay, so here I will take some examples from your My Practice Time 2. So the first question is find the area of the following squares and rectangles by using correct formula. Okay, so here you are going to find you are going to find the area of rectangle and squares both. So I will take here one example. So here the first question is there, rectangle, and they given here 7 centimeter and this is also 7 centimeter, and they given breadth 3 centimeter and here also they given 3 centimeter. So what is the formula? Yes, here the formula is area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so this is the formula they given. Okay, if you know length into breadth, then you can find very easily the area of the rectangle. So then see what is their length. Length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, so see here 7 3s are, we multiply 7 3s are 21 centimeter into centimeter square. If you are writing 21 square centimeter, both are correct. Why I wrote here? Because centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. And one more thing I will clear you, we are always measuring area in square units. If here centimeter is there means you write centimeter, if here meter is there means meter, if kilometer is there means kilometer. According to the question wise you have to change it, but the square is compulsory. See here, perimeter we are not using square. When you are finding the area, you have to tell the answer in square units. Don't forget to write this unit. Okay, I will take here one more example. Yes, I will take here length is equal to, I am solving these examples from your My Practice Time 2, page number 140. So first here I will take length is equal to 17.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so area is equal to what is the formula? Length into breadth. Then see here how much they given length, 17.5 centimeter and breadth they given 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so multiply here. For time being you ignore the point. Okay, 175 into 125. Multiply this. Okay, you know 3-digit multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Again you leave here place. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Again you leave here 2 more places. Here if you left 1 place means here down in third place you have to leave 2 places. So 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Okay, 5, 7, see here 8 plus 10 is 18, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now you have to consider these points. Don't write here 21,875 because here 2 points are there. Here after 1 digit and here after 1 digit means after 2 digit here the point will come. Here you write 218 18.75 square centimeter. Got it? Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Okay, see here there is a lots of difference is there between 21,875 and after giving a point it becomes 218.75. So while multiplying this decimal numbers, no, be careful while giving the points. Don't forget to give the points. Okay, so I will take here one more example from your my practice time. So let us take one more example. I will take one more example here, and that is length is equal to 16 centimeter, length is equal to 16 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Again you have to use the same formula, area is equal to length into breadth. Length they given 16 centimeter and breadth 2.5. Okay, for time being you ignore this point and you take it as a 25. Multiply here, 5 6 are 30, 5 1 are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Again you give here 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 3 plus 1 is 4. And tell me after how many digit here point will come? 1 digit. So it's 40 square centimeter. See here 40.0 is nothing but 40. And this calculation is there, no, there is no need to solve in any other rough place. If you are solving in one corner of the example, no problem. Okay, after multiplying you will get 40 square centimeter as the answer. Okay, so this is how to find the area of rectangle. Then how to find the area of square? For that also you have a separate formula. By using that formula you will get the answer. So I will take here few more examples on square. So let us take one example. Side is equal to, so area of square, and the first example is 4.5 centimeter. Already you know in square all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. For example, if it is 4 centimeter, this is also 4, this is also 4 and this is also 4 centimeter. Then how to do this? See here, if you multiplied side into side, you will get the area of the square. So what is the formula? Area is equal to side into side. See here, by this you know 4 formulas now. Yes, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into bracket length into breadth. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, and area of rectangle is length into breadth, and this is the fourth formula, area is equal to side into side. And already I told we are measuring area in square units. So take here first example is 4.5. How much is their side? 4.5 centimeter into 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so multiply this 4.5. For time being you ignore this and you take it as a ignore the point and take it as a 45. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. Again you leave here place, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. So write here 5, 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2. After how many digits the point will come? See there, after one digit means total 2 digits are there. So here the area of square is 20.25 square centimeter. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. And there is no need to solve this rough work, this work in any other place. If you are solving here only, no issues, it is also correct. Okay, I will take one more example from your my practice time 1. I will take one more example. Yes, I will take here 15.5. Side is equal to 15.5 centimeter. So what is the formula? Area is equal to side into side. For each question, compulsorily you have to write the formula. So area is equal to 15.5 into 15.5. Then how to do this? See here, 155 into 155. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here leave one place. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. I hope you are getting my point. See here. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. Again 5 1s are 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Next again leave here 2 digits. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. Add. 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. Again 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 and again you write here 2. So after how many digits the point will come here? 2 digits. See here. Next you write here 240.25 square centimeter. If you are writing centimeter square, this is also correct. See here, this is the way to find the area of rectangle and square. Okay, here the simple calculation is there. This calculation is very important, so keep practicing tables and work on 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, if you know that, then you can solve these examples very easily. In next class we will discuss how to find the volume of the cube and cuboid. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.